Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, and today very fast installation on this. It's a daytime running light for all of the RYKERs. Doesn't matter if it's 600, 900 basic or rally or sport, all years. So this is your daytime running light. We'll be doing installation and how to do it, how long it takes, maybe tips and tricks, and what tools you need. All you will find out in today's video, and of course unboxing. And 2022 rules. No bullshit around, straight to the point, and no video ads. How cool is that? Now enough of this. Let's get started. Let's do the unboxing first, and what you think about this? I love it. And this is our RYKER 900 Rally called Dakar that we are using for one of our 4 RYKERs that we are using for ToursOn3, which is a tour and rental agency run by me in Bratislava, Slovakia. So in case you would like to see Europe on 3 wheels, ToursOn3.com, and we are in Bratislava, Slovakia, very close to the Vienna, Austria, very close to Budapest, Hungary, very close to Prague, Czech Republic. And our RYKERs, all of them more than 6,000 euros in a worth of upgrades. Damn, most probably I have better RYKER than you do at home. Don't believe me? Come and try. Anyway, enough of this crap. Unboxing. So this light, if I have to say, I didn't install them before, but if I have to say, like, the quality wise on the touch, it's very proper quality. It's not light, it's properly heavy. I can see that, you know, the lights, the LEDs are done like this, like really high professional way. It's not light, the plexi, it's proper material. I love the way it looks very OM-ish. It's not OM, so not original by BRP, but it looks very OEM, yeah. Now what's next? Cable, of course, to connect the light, and it will go to your custom accessory circuit because it will be always on when riding your RYKER. And what I like about it is actually that it has the splitter, so in case you have already something in there, you can you know, plug another cable into the customer accessory circuit. And obviously some holder and bolts and manual that it's quite okay, I would say, but you don't need it because you are watching my video. Cool. All right, so the light will go there and it will look just badass. And when I'm building, I have built Dakar, and it's everything about style. Every RYKER that I have in my tour and rental agency, it has some topic, you know. And rally version, it needs to have a lot of lights. So this one will look super cool. The whole installation should be not very difficult. The hardest part will be drilling, but now take your, first thing you need to take the holder, just like this. And from outside we will hold the light, so that's the first job that needs to be done. 4 bolts, that's it. You will need nut or whatever is the size 7. Maybe a tip here, in case you are a person that likes to tie all the screws super light, don't do it here. I mean, of course, make it tight that it doesn't move, but the end cap has a rubber ring inside, so it holds very well. Plus the problematic thing can be that this is still a plexi, so plastic material, and once it goes against steel material or this steel holder, you can break it. So just go, like, you know, a little bit tight but not super heavy, and this should be fine. So we have 4 bolts now onto the bike. Now we need to remove the hood. Don't break anything. If you don't know how to remove the hood, there are 2 pins right over there, so everything must go smoothly. Just be gentle. Push it, it goes like this, very gently. All right. So many times I have seen broken pins on the front hood. Don't know why and how and whatever. Now position your light so it goes right over here on this edge, all the way to the back, right here, and just make sure it will be equally on one side and the other. Now we will need to drill holes. The smallest driller you can find. Of course, the best thing is to have one for plastic. Dummy has Lost has, so I need to use this one. 3 holes. Once we absolutely sure our light will be positioned in the middle. Be gentle. Now, of course, we'll put our three screws in there. I'm using just regular screwdriver, not the gun, because I would like, there are just tiny screws, you know, not long, so I don't want to ruin the hole that I have drilled, and I would like to have a sense of feeling like when it's enough. And the rest of them we will just do without drilling. It's up to you if you'll do all of them. I will do all of them just to be sure that the light is always on its place. I don't mind. Now we have all of the bolts in its place, and to be super honest with you, I drilled a little bit, tiny bit bigger holes than I should. So I'm just fixing it with we get a bigger bolt, and this is what happens from time to time. So don't be afraid to fix your mistakes. About this bolt, you know I'm super honest, and doesn't matter if I sell products or I'm making those products, I will still tell you good things and bad things. And honestly, this bigger bolt makes me more happy than the bolts that are here. So I'm happy that I have bigger bolt in here and bigger bolt in there, just because the light holds on its place. Like, I can be now super sure that it will not move at all. I don't know, my personal feeling. And of course, all of these lights and everything else, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. So the largest European shop for Can-Am SPYDER and RYKER aftermarket parts. More than 350 items sitting in Europe, and I ship worldwide. What it means, because I'm receiving a lot of questions like, Martin, can you ship? I ship worldwide. US, Canada, Australia, UK, New Zealand, not a problem. Now we'll need to get here because there is a customer accessory circuit. And how to do it, of course, open the front whatever glove box, and we have 1, 2, another 2 are, come with me, another 2 push pins are here, here and here. So of course, with the push pins I always say have a proper tool. Most of the installations it's about having the proper tools. I have both of them on my shop. They are coming with 20 extra push pins, and the thing is, this one is, I believe, from Showchrome or whatever. This one is from La Monster. And which one I prefer? Like, I'm using more frequently this one, just because I don't have to, I don't only like remove the, I'm doing it with my left hand, actually, it's very simple. I don't only remove the push pins, but also what I do, some of the push pins, you try to push them back and it's very hard. With this tool, it's super easy to push it back, just like the bottom part and then on the top part as well. Love it. Worth every single penny, and especially for RYKERs, they have a lot of push pins, you know that. So have your tools. MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. Another promotion. Now normally, if you didn't play with your RYKER before, you would have here the customer accessory circle cable plugged in. You just unplug it and connect it here. Because I have already these IPS fog lights, they have already a splitter, so I just need to connect my light over there. Zip ties are not part of packaging. Be careful about that. So guys, I think it looks absolutely amazing. By the way, in case you would like to have more lights, those are IPS fog lights, but that's a different story. Yeah, fits to my rally perfectly. Love it. Worth every penny. This is it from today's installation. The installation will take you something like 10 minutes in case you are not recording video like I do. All you need to have is a driller, a couple of screwdrivers. That's it. And guys, 3 things to remember. 1, all of the items you can get on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. 2, in case you would like to experience Europe on 3 wheels, well, I'm pretty crazy dude, and I will make you tour of your lifetime. I know Eastern Europe, like, just write me to info@ToursOn3.com. 3, in case you like what I do, and in case you like that I do not have bloody YouTube ads, Memorabilia, MTV 2022, Martin the Vlogger. Remember, always have fun. You can buy one of these and support my channel so I don't have to turn the bloody YouTube ads on. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember, always have fun and buy yourself the daytime lights for your RYKER.